Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop from start to finish. Whether you want to reinstall Windows, upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, or install Windows 11 on another computer, this guide will make the whole process simple and easy to follow. I'll show you everything step by step, including how to download the Windows 11 files, how to create a bootable USB drive, and finally how to install Windows 11 on the same PC or on another PC using that bootable USB. So if you want a fresh Windows installation without any confusion, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, we have to download required files. For that, open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Then go to the official Microsoft website. This is official Microsoft website for Windows 11. Scroll down until you find the Windows 11 disk image download section. From the drop-down menu, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Next, select your language and click Confirm. After that, click the 64-bit download button and your Windows 11 ISO file will start downloading. The file is around 8 gigabytes, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now, we need to download an app called Rufus. Rufus is a small tool that helps create a bootable USB drive. Go to New tab and search for Rufus and open the official website. Scroll down and download the latest version. Now wait and let both files download. Once both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and open Rufus. Now plug in a USB flash drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage. Your USB drive should automatically appear inside Rufus. In Boot selection, click Select and choose your Windows 11 ISO file from Downloads folder. Now, you will see an option called Partition Scheme. If you are not sure which one your PC uses, then just go to the PC where you want to install Windows and open System Information. Here you will see BIOS mode. If it's UEFI, then choose GPT, and if it's Legacy, then choose MBR. Now leave all other settings as they are and click Start. Rufus may give some warnings. Just click OK for them. Rufus will begin creating the bootable USB drive. This process may take a few minutes, so wait until it finishes. Once done, close Rufus. Now our bootable USB is ready. If I open this PC, you can see the USB drive has successfully converted into a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. Now, if you want to install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop, follow these next steps. Insert the bootable USB to PC where you want to install Windows and turn it off. After that, turn on your PC. As soon as the PC turns on, press the boot key immediately. The key depends on your PC or laptop brand. Common boot keys are F2, F1, 2, delete, or escape. From the boot menu, select your USB flash drive and press Enter. If you are facing problem in booting your PC from USB, then I will add detailed video for each laptop or PC brand in description. You can do it easily by watching that. Your PC will now boot into the Windows 11 setup. When the setup starts, choose your language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Choose Install Windows 11. Then accept terms and click Next. Accept the license terms and continue. You will now see all available drives and partitions. If this PC already has Windows installed and you want a clean installation, select the old partitions one by one and delete the ones that can be deleted. Keep deleting until you see only one unallocated space, with its size shown in GB. Select an allocated space and create new partition. Choose Newly Created Partition and click Next. When it's ready to install, click Install. Okay, Windows 11 installation will now begin. Your PC may restart several times during the process, so do not turn it off or interrupt it. Once installation is complete, Windows will ask for the first-time setup options. Select your country or region. Choose your keyboard layout. Skip the second keyboard layout if you do not need it. Connect to Wi-Fi if required. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have a Microsoft account or you want to use an offline account instead, you can skip this step. I will add a video link in the description to show you how to do that. Next, create your username and password. Choose your privacy settings based on your preference. Windows will now prepare your desktop. After a few minutes, you'll reach the Windows 11 desktop. And that's it. You have successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching Fixsoft. See you in the next video.